Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to set up your own photo on your keyboard. Okay, simply open your settings, press on to general management, go to Samsung keyboard or keyboard. You just find here this option, but not showing it to exactly this option in your Samsung keyboard. You just use to another keyboard. At first open your Play Store, go to search option, search set to Gboard. At first need to install this Gboard. Press on open. Press on. Make sure to enable Gboard option. Okay, now enable this Gboard. To default keyboard, to select Gboard option. Okay, now I'm set up to Gboard in my default keyboard. Go back and reopen Gboard again, and I'm get theme option. Press on, and you just select your own image. Press on next, adjustment, press on done, and finally press on apply. Okay, now successfully set up this. Like I'm open my note and open keyboard. Now set up